Buttons, they are the backbone of any UI, but also the ultimate troublemakers if you are not carefully. Today I'm counting down 5 common button design mistakes that drives users and designers crazy. And of course, how to fix them, because no one likes bad buttons. Mistake number 1. The where is it? The button. If your contrast radio isn't at last 3 to 1, your button is officially in a stealth mode. Great for ninjas, not for users. Tip: contrast radio 3 to 1 is a minimum for the button shapes. Mistake number 2. Button twins. When primary and secondary buttons are too similar, your users end up playing a game of chance. Spoiler alert, they hate it. Tip: use district styles for primary, secondary and tertiary buttons. Mistake number 3. The ghostly secondary button. If it mistake for disable, your users might think your app is broken. And let's be real, that's their excuse to leave. Tip: ensure secondary buttons have enough contrast to stand out. Here a big one, relying on color alone. About 300 million people worldwide are colorblind. If your button's interactive is only indicating by the color, you are basically saying good luck. Tip: add icons, borders or text styles to indicating interactivity. Inconsistent button shapes are mistake number 5. Buttons that they do the same thing should look the same, unless you are enjoying user confusing, which I hope you don't. Tip: keep button styles considered to avoid user confusion and frustration. Got a brainwave I missed? Drop it in the comment below and let's make the party smarter. Buttons don't have to be the villain of your design story. Avoid those mistakes and you are already a UX superhero. Speaking of heroes, hit the beautiful crafted subscribe button below. I'm Przemysław, see you in the next video. Be sure to check out the channel for more content. Take care, until next time.